10 Habits of Successful People. Successful people often have certain habits and practices that contribute to their achievements. Here are some common habits of successful individuals. 1. Goal setting. Successful people set clear and specific goals for themselves. They break down their long-term objectives into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines to keep themselves accountable. 2. Continuous learning. Successful people have a thirst for knowledge and are committed to lifelong learning. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and seek out opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills. 3. Time management. They understand the value of time and manage it effectively. Successful people prioritize their tasks, eliminate distractions, delegate when necessary, and focus on activities that align with their goals. 4. Discipline and persistence. Successful individuals are disciplined in their approach. They establish routines, stick to schedules, and persevere through challenges. They understand that setbacks are part of the journey and keep pushing forward. 5. Networking and relationship building. Building strong relationships and networking with others is crucial for success. Successful people actively network, seek mentorship, and surround themselves with positive and like-minded individuals who can support and inspire them. 6. Positive mindset. A positive mindset is key to success. Successful people maintain a positive outlook, believe in their abilities, and see failures as learning opportunities. They practice gratitude, visualization, and affirmations to stay motivated and focused. 7. Healthy habits. Taking care of their physical and mental well-being is a priority for successful individuals. They prioritize exercise, healthy eating, quality sleep, and stress management techniques, such as meditation or mindfulness. 8. Adaptability and flexibility. Successful people are adaptable and embrace change. They are open to new ideas, willing to take calculated risks and adjust their strategies when necessary. They view challenges as opportunities for growth and innovation. 9. Personal development. Continuous self-improvement is a habit of successful individuals. They invest in their personal development by attending workshops, seeking feedback, and working on their weaknesses. They strive to become better versions of themselves. 10. Work-life balance. Achieving work-life balance is crucial for long-term success and well-being. Successful people understand the importance of relaxation, hobbies, and spending quality time with loved ones. They set boundaries and prioritize self-care. It's important to note that while these habits can contribute to success, each person's journey is unique. It's essential to find a balance and adapt these habits to fit your own circumstance